Let me know when you hit the action button. Okay, it's going to be a 3-part video. We have disassembled the pump, and we have found out that inside of the pump is all corroded and cavitated, as you can see. All corroded and cavitated, which has a lot of wear as well on the lip. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean all this out, and then we're going to weld all the areas that are worn, and then we're going to machine it inside to a smooth finish. Cut it.
Yep.
Okay, from our inspection, we can see that the impeller has a lot of wear rubbing on the housing over there. So we're going to rebuild the impeller back up. We're going to machine it, and then we're going to balance it. And you can see it's also loose on the shaft. So as we disconnect the impeller, zoom in, you can see the shaft is worn. So the shaft is going to have to be rebuilt, machined, and then this bushing is also worn. We got to make a new bushing. Put this on here. Cut it. Here on the electric motor, we're going to do a final test on it to make sure that it's running properly, but we do know that it's going to need bearing maintenance. And then we'll find out later on today if it needs to be rewind or not. Cut it. Don't you record?
You good?
Right here we have the mechanical seals that are damaged. So we're going to replace the mechanical seals as well. And then over here we have some wear around the lips that we're also going to build up and remachine. So this is the whole information on the pump. The reason why the pump has this much damage is due from lack of maintenance. Because the pump has been neglected with maintenance, it was just an ongoing situation of damage causing more damage and causing more damage. But it is savable, and this is what needs to be done. We have finished welding the shaft, and we have finished machining it and redid the keyway. We also did the repair work in here, and we're going to slip it on right now. So now it's snug. Okay, project's finished. We got the motor rewound, shaft rebuilt, we got the pump repaired, the impeller repaired, balanced, new mechanical seals, all the gaskets and O-rings. The pump got rebuilt within 4 days for our customer on a rush repair. We're going to get this on a pallet, and then we're going to get this shipped out. So we have executed one repair service, and we're moving on to the next. The water pump is ready to be shipped out. We're loading up the truck and going to make delivery.